Isang magandang balita naman din po para sa ating mga kababayan, especially if you live in the Inland Empire or you want to live in the Inland Empire. Have you heard of AREA?
AREA is the name for the Asian Real Estate Association of America. And the association has been in existence since 2003. Our primary purpose is to increase sustainable home ownership for the Asian Pacific American segment of the United States. But we know that to have sustainable home ownership, you really need healthy communities. And the Inland Empire's Parade of Homes is one of the tools that AREA is supporting to increase healthy neighborhoods.
Alam po natin na kabilang sa tinatawag na American Dream ang pag-aari po ng sarili nating bahay dito sa Amerika, and AREA is helping us Asians achieve just that. Nagkaroon po sila ng press conference last Tuesday to talk about this particular event that they're having in the Inland Empire. Yan po ang detalye sa inyong mga screens. Pero marami siguro ang nagtatanong, bakit daw po sa Inland Empire? John Wong continues to explain why Inland Empire.
The primary benefit for the community is that it's a great opportunity to take some homes which are now vacant off the market and put families in them. The benefit to the Asian community is that in a short period of time, they will have information and education about how to buy a home in today's market. Number two, we'll be able to see many, many different homes in a short period of time because the Inland Empire has coordinated with other real estate agents to put these properties available at the same time for viewing. And third is that there's the excitement of feeling positive of becoming a homeowner because people will be around so many other potential homeowners.
You deserve to own your own home here in America, and that is why AREA is helping you achieve just that. There is an event on November 5. That's the information on the screen. You have to be pre-qualified, and those are the instructions on the screen and what things to prepare. If you want more information, log on to their website or call their hotline. Pupunta naman po tayo sa Carson sa kanilang continuing celebration of Filipino American History Month when we return on Kababayan LA. Don't go away.